Hey guys, I'm Marlon with Cypress Computers, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the motherboard Asus Z390-H. Alright guys, so here we have the box of the Rockstrix Z390-H gaming motherboard. So this will support latest generation, 9th generation, and it's backwards compatible to the 8th generation. You can do SLI, you can do Crossfire, and you can do the Aura Sync, which you can customize the RGB colors if you have in your case, or even the RAM or the liquid cooler. So if we flip the box, you're gonna have all the specs that this motherboard will bring. You got your IO shield, your logo that will bright up and all that stuff, and you get also your RGB header. So if you're trying to connect something to it, then this will sync together, making it all looking nice and neat. So as soon as you open it, you get your motherboard in, and here, let's just get it out. So pretty much you're gonna have your processor socket, then you get your SLI, you get 6 SATA ports, and then here's your RGB that we were talking earlier about. This is a very fancy motherboard, guys. So if you're looking for speed, overclocking, this might suit your specs. Now if you go and flip this, sorry about that, let's get it on the side, you're gonna have all of your manuals right here. You get your drivers, and then you get your warranty stuff. So this is all the stuff that you need to read it if you need any help. You get stickers as well, which you can put around the case, and the cables as well to label all of this stuff. And they are bringing nowadays this nice door hanger. So if you're trying to play video games, then you can let people know that you're busy and let them know not to bother you. You're gonna have your SATA cables over here. This is for the M2 solid state drive, the NVMEs. You get some zip ties also for your RGBs, and this is the SLI link. That's pretty much it. There's nothing really crazy going on this unboxing video. We have these motherboards in stock. So if you have any questions on these motherboards or any other ones, please give us a call, or you can visit our website at impresscomputers.com. Alright guys, so this was the unboxing video of the motherboard. If you have any questions on building your own computer, you can visit our website. We have a section where you can put it together. If you have any questions, you can call us, or you can even email us and we will get back to you. So thank you for watching.